Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can transform yourself into a squishy using this fun photo effects. So this time I'm going to use the Pika Art website. So what you need to do is just open your browser and then just type in pika.art. Go to this page right here, and in here you'll see there are lots of options that you can select it. And this time I'm going to try the squish it, this one's right here. Click on that, and then if you want to upload your own photo, you can sign up first, but this time I'm going to just use one from Pika. For example, I'm going to try on this snowman photo. You can click on the photo, and then the prompt is squish it, and after that you can just tap on this generate button to bring your Pika effect to life. Okay, so your video is generating. So if you want to use your own photos right here, you can sign in with Google, Facebook, or Discord, and also email. And this is the result. As you guys can see, now the photo has turned into a squishy. You can try it with your own selfie or your own photo, and you can just download the result after that. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.